Like and subscribe to support the channel. Donations welcome.
The meticulous preparation you've undertaken for your green card application culminates in the interview stage. This is not just a formality, it's a critical juncture where your carefully constructed narrative will be tested. The interview is your opportunity to solidify the impression you've meticulously crafted through your application documentation. Think of it as a conversation, albeit a formal one, where you can clarify any ambiguities, address potential concerns, and ultimately convince the USCIS officer of your eligibility for permanent residency. Preparation is key. The interview is not the time to improvise. It's the time to demonstrate the same level of meticulousness and organization that characterized your application. Begin by anticipating the types of questions you might encounter. While the specific questions will vary depending on your individual circumstances and the type of green card you're applying for, some common themes emerge. Expect questions about your personal history, your reasons for seeking permanent residency in the United States, your ties to your home country, and your plans for the future. For instance, if your application is based on family sponsorship, expect detailed questions about your relationship with your sponsor. Be prepared to discuss the length and nature of your relationship, providing specific examples to illustrate your connection. The USCIS officer may delve into the details of your life together, seeking evidence of a genuine and ongoing relationship. Similarly, if your application is employment-based, be ready to discuss your professional background in detail. You should be prepared to articulate your skills and experience, providing specific examples of your accomplishments and contributions to your field. The officer will likely assess your qualifications against the requirements of your job offer and the overall needs of the U.S. labor market. No matter the basis of your application, be prepared to answer questions about your personal history, including your travel history, past residences, and any previous interactions with law enforcement. Accuracy is paramount here. Any inconsistencies or omissions can raise red flags and cast doubt on your credibility. Remember, the USCIS officer is assessing not only your eligibility, but also your trustworthiness and your commitment to adhering to U.S. laws and regulations. Beyond anticipating questions, it's crucial to prepare your responses. Practice articulating your answers clearly and concisely, avoiding ambiguity or hesitation. Rehearse your answers aloud, focusing on delivering them with confidence and clarity. Consider role-playing with a friend or family member to simulate the interview environment and refine your responses. This preparation will help you maintain composure and project confidence during the actual interview. Honesty is paramount. Any attempt to mislead or withhold information will almost certainly lead to a denial of your application. The USCIS has access to extensive databases and investigative resources. Any falsehoods will likely be discovered, resulting in serious consequences. Your honesty and transparency will demonstrate your integrity and increase the likelihood of a favorable outcome. While nerves are natural, honesty and transparency are your most potent tools. In addition to verbal preparation, ensure you bring all necessary documentation to the interview. This includes original documents and copies of everything submitted in your application. Having readily accessible copies can save time and ensure a smooth interview flow. A well-organized binder or portfolio containing all relevant documents can project professionalism and demonstrate your meticulousness. Remember to bring your passport, any previous visas, and other identity documents, as well as any supporting documentation relevant to your specific case. Beyond the documentation, consider your attire and demeanor. Present yourself professionally, dressing in neat and appropriate clothing. Maintain eye contact with the officer, demonstrating respect and attentiveness. Answer questions directly and honestly, avoiding unnecessary elaboration or defensiveness. If you don't understand a question, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Remember, the officer is evaluating not just your answers, but also your overall presentation and demeanor. A common misconception is that the interview is a purely adversarial process. However, it's more accurately characterized as an assessment. The officer's role is to determine whether you meet the requirements for a green card. By demonstrating your preparedness, your honesty, and your understanding of the process, You can transform the interview from a potential obstacle into an opportunity to further solidify your case. Many successful applicants attribute their positive experiences to thorough preparation and calm, confident demeanor. They emphasize the importance of being organized, presenting their evidence clearly, and answering questions honestly and directly. They recount preparing answers to potential questions and practicing these answers aloud until they felt comfortable and confident. These successful stories underscore the value of preparation in navigating this critical step in the green card process. Remember, the interview is the culmination of your efforts. It is a chance to reinforce the narrative you've carefully built through your application. You've meticulously gathered evidence, completed complex forms, and patiently waited for this moment. By combining meticulous preparation with honesty, confidence, and clear communication, you will substantially increase your chances of a positive outcome. The interview may be daunting, but with the right preparation, it can be another milestone on your journey toward permanent residency. The importance of seeking legal counsel cannot be overstated. An experienced immigration attorney can provide invaluable assistance throughout the entire process, from preparing your application to representing you at the interview. They understand the nuances of immigration law, can identify potential issues, and can advocate for your best interests if any complications arise. The cost of legal representation is an investment in your success and can significantly reduce stress and uncertainty during this challenging process. The support and guidance of a legal professional can be the difference between a successful outcome and a frustrating delay or denial. This is your moment to demonstrate that you have followed the law, met all requirements, and are deserving of permanent residency in the United States. Your meticulously assembled documentation is a powerful tool, but it is the combination of preparation, confidence, and clear communication that will ultimately seal the deal. The green card interview is not the end of the journey, but rather a crucial milestone, a pivotal step towards achieving your dream. Remember, every step taken with preparation and precision brings you closer to your goal. The journey has been long, but the culmination is within reach.
Like and subscribe for more content.